Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable automatic updates of WatchOS on the Apple Watch 7. First, let's go back to your watch face by pressing on the crown button. Press it until you go back to the clock face. And from the clock face, press on the crown button. Next, in the app screen, tap on the settings icon. In here, you want to go down and tap on General, and then tap on Software Update. Next, tap on Automatic Updates, and tap on the toggle button to turn off or turn on automatic updates. And so that automatically installs software updates overnight after they have been downloaded. You will receive a notification before updates are installed. Your Apple Watch must be charging and connected to Wi-Fi to complete the update. And that's it. Finally, you can press on the back key to go back to settings, or press on the sign crown button to go back to the app screen, or press on it again to go back to the watch face. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.